I want this program to be a program that all the other programs want to be like. So this is what I call a meat and potatoes type diesel program with critical thinking, troubleshooting, hands-on, in your face work. I've worked on just about everything you can think of. Clear from cleaning buckets to sorting bolts to starting my own company in 1993 that became a dealership. The reason why I want to emphasize that is I know all aspects of the diesel technology. And as far as companies are concerned, I know what they want.
This program offers you 2 years, so it gives you more time to work on one-on-one with your instructor to teach you what you need to learn, and it gives you more time to get more experience, see more things, teach you different ways how to do it. Whatever we go into, we already touched it.
Our diesel club is really close-knit. We have a medieval days of drag racing. 2 mud pits side by side. The money we produce from those events, we buy equipment. We bought a trailer, a reefer trailer outside so that we can learn on. And we go on a lot of field trips. We go to Cummins and Freightliner and Kenworth and ATS and Wagner Cat. We go to all of these companies so that I can show those guys their work environment and they can talk to them about job employment.
I did an internship over the last summer at 21st Century John Deere and Ray, and they liked what I did there and they hired me on. I'm going to be starting in May, and they gave me tool allowance, $6,000 for tools and stuff like that.
How I'm measuring the success of this is not by my enrollment, by the success of my students getting really good careers. The kids that are committed, the students that are committed, we do everything we can to get them a good job, and there are so many places they can go, wherever they want to go, from locomotives to generators to ships.